Hello. As this wintry week continues, it's really important to stay up to date with the forecast and the warnings. Best way to stay up to date, of course, is to hit subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Plenty going on, even though the low pressure that brought all the heavy snow over the weekend is now starting to clear away. But as it clears away, the colder air is tucking back in behind it. So after a brief milder spell on Sunday across the south, the colder air has now returned, and certainly cold enough for the showers that are coming in on that northerly wind to still have some snow mixed in over northern Scotland through the night. Snow and ice continues to be a threat. And then we're looking at this little weather feature coming into Northern Ireland, pepping up the sleet and snow here through the evening. So again, tricky conditions on the roads. That then spreads into Wales and southwest England. Don't be surprised if you wake up to further snow across parts of Wales and southwest England in the morning. Could be several centimetres in places, but it will be hit and miss. It is going to be more of a mixture of rain, sleet and snow, with sleet and rain most likely close to coast. But any type of shower could turn things icy as temperatures once again fall widely below freezing, well below through the glens of Scotland. We could get down to -5, -6, even lower across the southern uplands. But most towns and cities hovering closer to freezing, but still down to 0, -1 or -2. So a frosty start to the morning, potentially still very icy in the west and across northern Scotland, where more snow showers will come in through the day. The showers tending to ease a little bit elsewhere, and certainly much of eastern and southern England. Good chunk of central and southern Scotland. Dry, fine and sunny for most of Tuesday, but still feeling cold. The showers across Northern Ireland, North Wales, Northwest England, they will be a wintry mix. That means hail, sleet and some snow is possible, and continuing to see those wintry showers coming in across northern Scotland. Still windy here as well. Not quite as strong the winds on Tuesday compared to Monday, so perhaps maybe not feeling quite as cold, but still temperatures are going to struggle below average. Many places only 3 or 4 Celsius, maybe 6 or 7 across parts of the south. The winds here, though, will be lighter than Monday's, and that will be probably quite noticeable. During the course of the evening, still a few showers feeding into western areas and across northern Scotland. So again, as temperatures tumble, and they will tumble pretty widely down well below freezing, it could well turn icy for Wednesday morning. Wednesday, though, dry and sunny for most areas, but down to the southwest, we are keeping our eyes on this weather system. This is going to bring some milder air, but a bit like that system did at the weekend, it's also going to bring some moisture on this warm front. Some uncertainty about the exact track, and that's giving us a few headaches, because where this wet weather hits the colder air, it is likely to generate some snowfall. So this is something we're watching very closely for Wednesday. There is a Met Office yellow snow warning in place, but that doesn't mean that we're definitely going to see snow in this area. It is still something we're keeping an eye on, because it all could be a little further north, or it all could be a little further south. So it's not a guarantee of snow across this yellow area. It's just an area where we have the potential for some disruption. As this wet weather comes in, if it is a little further north, hitting that colder air, it could generate some quite significant snow across southern counties of England on Wednesday. As I said, it could be a bit further north, it could be a bit further south, in which case we wouldn't see much snow, if any at all, across the south. There will still be some wintry showers across northern Scotland, but many other areas on Wednesday having a fine but cold winter's day, with temperatures starting below freezing and ending up just a little bit above. Temperatures in the south depends on, I say, that weather front and just how far north it is. So do keep up to date with the weather forecast over the next few days. The wintry weather likely to continue for most of this week. If you're watching this on YouTube, then do hit subscribe.